Hi, good morning to all. I am trained in Evision and got placed in Jibe Development Service Private Limited, as with salary offered like 2.8 lakhs per annum. I am Manivannan from Chennai. I had done BE in EC from KSR College of Engineering. In grateful thanks to Evision support team, especially the placement by Evision helped me. Evisions helped me a lot of gains and strength to attend an interview and arranging the many interview. I am very happy to be a part of Evision's team and the mentioned staffs are very cooperative and helped me a lot of the entire training journey. I suggest you too can join in this team and can you achieve your goals. Thank you for Evisions to give this opportunity.